Credit repair, credit repair, credit repair. What credit repair doesn't teach you is how to get funding, how to get real bank funding. I'm not talking about crappy credit builders that your favorite guru is getting a commission off of. I'm talking about real deal bank funding. Anywhere you crack this, you're liable to see a real deal bank. Some of my favorite banks that are inside of this big old collection: American Express, Chase Business, a lot of these 0% interest, more American Express. You can get so many different opportunities with your personal credit. It's so crazy. It's so crazy. And to once think that I had a 484 credit score and now I've got over $1 million in available credit to my name. And that's not something that, I use lightly, or it's not something that I take lightly. I'm very appreciative, but I'm also very dedicated to my credit. And in fact, it's one of the most important things to me. I check it daily. Every day I'm looking at my credit. Ooh, more American Express. But you've really got to be dedicated to it. Make sure that you're paying everything on time. Building with comparable credit. I didn't get all of these banks because I started building with Kikoff and Chime and all of those crappy credit builders. No, you want to focus on quality banks, quality financial institutions that are in competition with each other. They don't look at each other like comparable credit if they don't know who you are. So it's really important that you understand comparable credit, adding those high limit trade lines, authorized user trade lines with 100% payment history and those high limits. That is going to boost up your credit score. And it's called piggybacking for a reason. That's one of the things that really helps me get higher limits in my credit card. Here's another Chase card, $17,000. I got that one a while ago, and that was right after my Navy Fed funding sequence, and I got maxed out with them at $80,000. So you have to understand the method to the madness and take your credit as serious as can be. This is something that I've been dedicated to for the last 6-7 years. 6-7. But nonetheless, follow me, Credit Coach Nicole Scott. I'll show you how it's done. No fluff, just straight raw information that is going to help you level up and get to long-term success, because you can't have long-term success if you're always trying to cut corners, have someone do it for you, and just be in that repeated cycle, getting funding, getting credit repair. You got to get into that mindset on a whole nother level. And that's why I built the credit community, for us to get on that next level and progress up from there. Comment the word community and I will send you exclusive access to join the credit community, where I have a ton of funding plays inside of there. And not to mention, we help you get funding ready. You're not paying a fee for anything, but getting prepared and then taking action. Make sure to join the credit community, and I'll see you there.